Good day everyone, I am Henecy B.Marquez. Today, we will naming the organs of the respiratory system and their function. But before that, let us know what respiratory system is. Respiratory system is a network of organs and tissues that help you breathe. It includes your airways, lung, and blood vessel. The muscles that power your lungs are also part of the respiratory system. These parts work together to move oxygen throughout the body and clean out waste gases like carbon dioxide. Besides helping you inhale and exhale, respiratory system has a main function. First one is transporting air into and out of lungs, protecting our body against harmful particles that are inhaled and gas exchange occur. Breathing is the process of intake of air into the lungs or inhalation, and expulsion of carbon dioxide, which is exhalation. Respiratory system composed of nose, mouth, lungs, alveoli, pharynx, larynx. Esophagus is not part of respiratory system. It is a part of digestive system. Trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and diaphragm. We have two components of respiratory system, upper respiratory tract and the lower respiratory tract. In the upper respiratory tract, we have the nose, pharynx, and larynx, while in the lower respiratory tract, we have here the trachea, lungs, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, and diaphragm. Okay, let's discuss them one by one. Nose allow air to enter your body, then filter the breeze and warm and moisten the air. The nose is the only respiratory system that is visible when the air enters, and it's also responsible for sense of smell. We have four parts of the nose: nasal cavity, mucous membrane, nostril or nares, and the cilia. The nostril is one of the two holes in your nose through which you breathe, smell, and sneeze. Nostrils is the external opening of the nose. Nasal cavity is the inside part of your nose. While in a mucous membrane is a membrane that lines various cavities in the body and covers the surface of internal organs. It produces mucus. Mucus is the moist and sticky that capture dust, germs, and small particles that could irritate the lungs. Cilia, these are the tiny hairs that help clean the air before it goes to the lungs. Pharynx is a part of the throat behind the mouth and nasal cavity, and above the esophagus and trachea. The tubes going down to the stomach and the lungs. Larynx, hollow tubular structure that connects the pharynx and trachea. The vocal fold and the vocal cords are found. Trachea. Trachea is a long tube that connects your larynx to your bronchi. Lungs, the primary organs of a respiratory system and protected by a rib cage and double-layer membranes called pleura. Pleura is a serous membrane which folds back onto itself from a two-layer membrane structure. Bronchi are the two large tubes that carry air from your windpipe to your lungs. It is the branches of the trachea, while in the bronchioles are air passage inside the lungs that branch off like three limbs from the bronchi. It is the small bronchial tube. While here in alveoli are where the lungs and the blood exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide during the process of breathing in and breathing out. Alveoli are air sacs located at the end of the bronchioles where gas exchange occurs. And lastly, the diaphragm. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped structure that separates the chest and the abdomen. It is the main respiratory muscles. If we inhale, the lung expands and the diaphragm moves downward, while when we exhale, diaphragm relaxes and returns to its normal shape. Okay, that would be all. Thank you.